Guys, this is Mr. H. I'm going to do a quick video for S.3, find the slope of a graph. This one has confused some students, so I wanted to show a couple examples of what you need to do. So here I have, this is a linear function, you can tell because it's a straight line. Now, the key for this is you just have to find two places where the line goes through the squares. All right, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. All right, here is one place where the line goes through the corner of a square. So I'm marking that. And then you're going to go find another place where the line goes through the corner. And there's one right there. This one is not a corner. This one is not a corner. So I wouldn't use either one of those. All right, so now once you've got 2 points, and you only need 2 points, we're just going to do rise over run. So I'm rising 1, 2, 3. And I am running 1. So the rise is 3. The run is 1. So the rise over run is the slope. So this is going to be 1 or 3 over 1, which is just 3. So if I go back, I wouldn't put 3 over 1 because 3 over 1 is just 3. But in order to calculate the slope, I did that. All right, so I would just put in 3 here. I need my keyboard. Put in 3, and then I would submit it. All right, let me do another one. I'm going to do 3 examples. All right, so here I just enlarged this. All right, I need 3 places or 2 places where it's going through a corner. Here is one, it's starting at a corner, and here is another. So I'm going up, I'm rising 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm rising 4, I'm running 1. So the slope is 4 over 1, which is 4. So I go here and I put in 4. Then I submit it and it's done. Now I'm going to jump to some of the more complicated ones. So let me jump to a new level. All right. So it doesn't matter how big the numbers are. You're still using the same process. So these numbers are larger, but again, the key is to find 2 points on the line where they go through the corner of a graph. So my first one is right here, and I need another one. And you got to be careful. They've got to go exactly through a corner. So here is another one. A couple of them look like they might go through the corner, but they're not. They're going very close. It has to go through the corner. So basically, once you get the 2 points, you just calculate rise over run. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm rising 8, and I'm running 1, 2, 3. And that's going to be a positive 3. So it's 8 over 3 is my slope. So if I go back and I enter 8 over 3, 8 divided by 3, it tells me you're super. All right, that's it. Oh, one more. This is a good one. Now look, you got to pay attention to the sign. All the first 3 examples were all positive slopes because they were increasing. I didn't mention that, I forgot to. So if you go back and look at the video again, you'll see that the first 3, you can see that they're sloping upwards. So that's an increasing function, linear function, which means it should have a positive slope. This one, on the other hand, is going down. So I know that my answer is going to have a negative. And I can already put that because I know it's going to be negative. But here, okay, here's a corner. And here is a corner. So my rise, I'm going down 1, and then I'm running 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So it's a -1 over a positive 4, which is a -1/4. So that's what I would enter. So what I would like to do is just take a look at the function. If it's sloping downward from left to right, it's going to have a negative slope. If it's sloping upward from left to right, it's going to have a positive sign. So don't get too caught up in. You just need to focus on the rise over run. You should be able to just look at the function and say, oh, this is going to be a negative slope or a positive slope. So let me go ahead and enter this one, and then I'm going to wrap this up. I think this has gone a little longer than I wanted. So this will be -1 over 4. You're brilliant. All right, that's it, guys. Good luck.